Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve database task in paper 2 Cambridge IGCSE ICT May June 2023 variant 21. Okay, so you have been supplied with the following source files. Ensure that you have all of these files in your source folder. Okay, so let's go to database task. Okay, you are now going to prepare some reports. Examine the file J2321 result and identify the most appropriate field to set as a primary key. Close this file. Okay, so we are going to open the file results. Okay, and we are going to see which field name is the appropriate primary key, the unique field name. Okay, so we are going to make use of race known. We'll make use of race known. Okay. Using database software, import the file J2321 results. Use these field names and data types. Okay, I'm going to open Access. Okay, import the file, external data, text file, browse, go to where your folder is. Okay, result. Okay, click Next. Check the first row. Okay, click on Advanced to check the data type. Okay, so for the data type, we have text, 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 number, text. Text, 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 number, text, text. Okay, then the next one we have number, date or time, text. Okay, number, date or time, text, and then number, number. Okay, that's fine. Click Next. Next. Okay, choose the primary key. We are going to make use of race known. Next. Finish. Okay, now we need to check the data type. We need to change the format for the data type. So go to design view. Okay, so we have race known is 0 decimal place, year of birth is 0 decimal place. Race known, okay, 0 decimal place, year of birth, 0 decimal place. And then we have date or time is HHMMSS. This is long date. Okay, then we have event rank and cat code is 0 decimal places. Okay. Okay, race time. The format is long date. Long time, sorry. Okay, this is it. Event rank, decimal place 0. Cat rank, decimal place 0. Okay. Okay, so save the file. Okay, save the data. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key used in the table. Okay, save. Take a screenshot. Okay. This is task. Okay, question 15. Go to your evidence file and place under step 15. Okay, import the file J2321 start times as a new table in your database. Okay, text file, browse, start times, open. Next, check the first row, advance to check the data type. So we have text, 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 date or time. Text, 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 date or time. This is correct. Okay, the primary key Our primary key is group code. Okay, choose primary key, group code, next, finish. Okay, so we will open the table and then go to design view, okay, so that we can check the date or time format. Okay, sorry, start times table. Okay, date or time, the format should be long time. Okay, and then save. Okay, place in your evidence document is screenshots. Okay, so we need to place screenshots to show that we have the correct data type. Okay, this is step 16. Import the file J2321 cat codes as a new table in your database. Set all the data types to text. Okay, okay, we need to import a new file. Okay, the name is cat code. Okay, check the first row. Next. Okay, advanced. Okay, all the data type is text. That's fine. Then our primary key is cat code. Okay, our primary key. Choose primary key, cat code. Next, finish. Okay, that's it. Okay, place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the field names, data types, and primary key. Okay, so we need to show evidence for this table. Okay, and place our evidence in step 17. Okay, make sure you save. Okay, create one-to-many relationships as links between group code field in the start times table and start code field in the results table. Okay, so start times table and results table. Okay, you may close all of this. Database tools, relationship, import all. Okay, so start times and results. Okay, I expand this. So we need to create relationship between group code and start code. Okay, group code and start code. Okay, we need to place our evidence, our screenshots in the evidence document. So I'm just going to do that along the way. Take a screenshot. Okay, place that in step 18. Ensure you click on create, very important. Then the start code field in the start codes table and then cat code field in the results table. Okay. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, take a screenshot. Click and create. Okay, place your screenshot. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot of this relationship that has been created. Okay, And I'll also place that in the evidence document. Let me reduce the size. Okay, save, and you can close. Okay, that is done. Add the following as a new record in the results table. Okay, in the result table, we need to have a new record. Okay, ensure you type the correct data. So HC06, HC06, Waddle and Basil. Okay, Waddle, Basil, 1203, and then power circle, 1203, power circles. And we have C5 1992. C5 1992. The time is 012513. 012513. Okay, then we have Fin 122. Okay, Fin 122 and 68. Fin 122 and 68. Okay, check your data entry for errors and save the data. Okay, so right click and then save. That's done. Okay, using fields from the result and the start times table, produce a tabular report. Okay, so we need to produce a tabular report, and in the report we should have these field names. Okay, so let's create a query first. Click on create, query wizard. Okay, so we have group code, last name, first name. Group code, last name, first name. Then we have year of birth, status, race time. Year of birth, status, race time. And then we have event rank. Event rank. Okay, I believe that's all. Okay, next. Okay, you can label this as everyone. Okay, that is done. Okay, so select the records where group code is HC00. Okay, go to design view, group code is HC00. Yes, this is correct. Okay, then it says year of birth is 1975 or later. Year of birth is 1975 or later. So greater or equal to 1975. Run. Okay, this is correct. We're done with this. Okay, now we need to create the report. Okay, let me save, create report wizard. Okay, move all the field names. Next. Okay, the question says do not group. Okay, do not group the data. So choose the table that shows that the field names are not grouped. Next. Next. Do we have any sorting? Yes, sort data into as descending order of year of birth. Year of birth, descending order. Next. What is the orientation? Okay, orientation is portrait. Okay, portrait, and then next. Okay, the title of the title of the report, scratch category outcomes. Okay, scratch category outcomes, and then finish. Okay, we have our report. Okay, so we need to, our report, as you can see, has been disorganized. So we need to rearrange again according to the order we are given. Okay, so we have group code, last name, first name. Group code. Okay, go to layout view. Okay, year of birth somewhere here, but let's move it. Okay, so we have group code, last name, okay, first name, okay, and then next we have year of birth, status, and race time. Okay, year of birth, okay, status, okay, and race time. Okay, then next we have event rank. Okay, event rank. Okay, ensure that no data is overlapping, no field is overlapping any other field. Okay, so that has been done. Fit on a single page. Okay, it means that when you print out, it should not be more than one page. So you can just go to print preview and see how many pages. So page one of one. Okay. Okay, calculate the number of database records shown in this report and place this at the end of the report, fully visible and formatted to 0 decimal place. Okay, so we need to count the records. Okay, so you can just select any record, select and then right click, then look for, mm, okay, sorry guys. Okay, you can just click on this and then count records. Okay, so we have the total number of records. Okay, this is done. As the label number of cyclists, fully visible to the left of this value. Okay, number of cyclists, you can just right click and then set caption. Okay, number of cyclists. Okay, we need to adjust this. We go to design view. Okay, and then adjust so that the label is fully visible. Okay, let's go back to layout view. Okay, it's visible. Okay, has your name, center number, and candidate number on the report. Okay, on the report, design view, and then click on label. Okay, you want to have your name, center number, and candidate number. Let's go to layout view. Okay, this is um let me just go to print preview so you can see clearly. Okay, this is it. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of cyclists and then save and print your report. Okay, so we need to show the formula. So go to design view. This is the formula. Take a screenshot and place in your evidence document. Step 20. Okay, then save. Okay. Okay, and we are done with this. Okay, we go to question 21. Using the fields from the results and CAT code tables, produce a tabular report. Okay, so we are going to use these field names. Okay, I'm going to close all. Create query wizard. Okay, so the field names are, we have race known, first name, last name. Okay, race known, first name, last name. And then we have cat rank, club name, category. Cat rank, club name, category. Okay, then we have status, time per kilometer, and race time. Status, time per kilometer. Okay, time per kilometer is not in any of the tables. Okay, we need to create a new field called time per kilometer. Okay, so I'm going to create this time per kilometer field name and race time at the same time. So let me just finish up the query. Next, you can make this query 2. Next. Okay, so let's go to design view. Okay, so we need to have a new field name titled time per kilometer, which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the race time divided by the race distance of 50 kilometer. Okay, time per kilometer. Okay, so we have race time, okay, divided by 50. Okay, race time divided by 50. Okay, I'm gonna check this. I'm going to run. Okay, we have it here, time per kilometer. And then the next one we need to have, okay, we need to have race time. Okay, race time. Okay, that is done. Okay, we have race time now. Okay, it says format this field to display time as HHMMSS. Okay, so time per kilometer, we want it to display long time. Property sheet and the format type HHMM. Okay, SS. Run. Okay, that has been done. Okay, we are done with this. Now we go back to this. Select the records where the club name includes the text power. Okay, design view. The club name includes the text power. Run. Okay, as we can see, we have all the records with power in the club name. Okay, then does not include DNF or DNS. Does not include DNS. Okay, status does not include status. Okay, not DNF and not DNS. Okay, run. Okay, so our status, we don't have DNF or DNS. Okay, this is done. Okay, now we are going to create the report. So it says do not group the data. Click and create report wizard. Yes, save. Okay, move all the field names. Next. Okay, ensure that the field names are not grouped. Okay, next. Next. Okay, do we have sortings? Yes. We need to sort club name and cat rank in ascending order. Okay, club name and cat rank in ascending order. Next. What is our orientation? Okay, the orientation is landscape. Landscape. Next. What is the name of the title? Okay, the title is Power Club Results. Power Club Results. Ensure that there's no error in the spelling. Okay. Okay, this is done. It says displayed in a larger font size, fully visible at the top of the page. Yes, this is fully visible. Okay, fits a single page wide. Okay, we need to arrange the report so that it does not extend, beyond a single page wide. Okay, layout, layout view. Okay, now we are going to rearrange the field names to be in the order that we are given in the question. Okay, so we have race known, first name and last name. Race known. Okay, I'm going to move this first. Okay, race known. Okay, first name. Okay, ensure when you're in adjusting the field names, make sure that all data are fully visible. Okay, first name and then last name. Okay, then we have cat rank club name. Okay, cat rank. Okay, I believe this is cat rank. Okay, cat rank. The club name. Uh-oh, we moved the wrong. I moved the wrong field name. Okay, club name. Okay, and then we have category status. Category. Okay. category, status, and then okay, and then we have time per kilometer and then race time. Time per kilometer and then race time. Okay, that is done. Then make sure that you have your name, center number, and candidate number in the footer. Okay, go to design view, label, okay, your name, center number, candidate number at the footer. Okay, that's done. Go to layout view. That should be, or go to print preview. That should be visible. Okay. Okay, place in your evidence document a screenshot showing the database search criteria used to select the records where status do not include DNF or DNS. Okay, in the evidence document, we need to place, okay, go to query, go to your design view. So you screenshot this, okay, and place in your evidence document. Okay, this has been done. Save and print your report. Okay, save. Okay, I think that's all. Yes, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.